It's been a year this week since a major methamphetamine bust in the La Crosse area put several people behind bars.
But officials say despite the case's magnitude, it's still an ongoing challenge to keep meth off the streets. News 8's Madeline O'Neill has more on where we stand today.
Martha, it may surprise you, but according to numbers from 2015, the drug that resulted in the most charges in La Crosse County was meth, beating out heroin by a landslide. At this time last year, various agencies that worked together to stop the drug flow into the Coulee region made a big step forward by charging 17 people in connection to a major meth trafficking ring in the region. While investigators say that put a dent in the supply at the time, today they're still fighting to keep meth out of our communities.
It's a little alarming to think that we went through a case that big, charged that many people, and we still have a significant amount of high-grade methamphetamine.
Investigative coordinator for the West Central MEG unit, Tom Johnson, describes methamphetamine's presence in the La Crosse region as an ebb and flow.
We changed or interrupted the flow for a time, but we're not so naive as to think that we stopped it, because we did not stop it, and it continues.
The MEG unit, working with area agencies, built a case against a large meth trafficking ring in October of 2015. And while it resulted in charges being pressed against 17 people involved, investigators, after patting themselves on the back, had to get right back to work.
People need to remain vigilant, and all the investigators that are in all our agencies are working day to day as hard as they always did to try and stop that flow. It just changes directions when a certain number of people get arrested.
It's still the number one issue, at least as far as that's found, the drug that's found there on the streets. Methamphetamine by far. It's cheap, it's accessible.
These statistics from the Sheriff's Department show the number of drug charges in La Crosse County last year. Johnson can't say yet whether there is less meth on the streets a year after the big meth bust, but he believes the arrests sent a strong message.
All our communities in these 5 counties are sick and tired of this activity.
Health educator Al Bliss says while drug arrests are important for public safety, there's more to solving the problem.
Continued prevention efforts and continued treatment efforts are the 2 most important things that our community can address with this.
Both Bliss and Johnson say a big part of the solution lies in education and working together to stop the flow of meth for good.
It needs to be a holistic approach. We need to work together as a coalition between the treatment community and the law enforcement community and the educational community. It takes a village.
Investigative coordinator Tom Johnson says he's noticed that more people are interested in getting information, and law agencies have done more presentations on the danger of drugs over the past year.
Thanks a lot, Madeline. Also, the La Crosse County Prevention Network is actually sponsoring a special event about meth and marijuana. It's a session on Friday morning from 8 a.m. until 12:30 in the afternoon at Viterbo. The presentation is for business leaders and professionals. It's free to attend, and for more information or to RSVP, just call 608-785-9855.